Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in Word. Microsoft Copilot in Word can help you create, edit, summarize and improve documents using AI. Whether you are writing a report, letter, proposal or study notes, Copilot can save time and help you get started faster. First of all, what you will need to do is to open Copilot and through it go to Open Word. And here we go. Of course, don't forget that if your Microsoft 365 subscription is not really on, you need it, since you need to have the actual subscription for the Copilot to be running on Word. All the subscriptions has Copilot AI in them, so that's not something that you should worry about. As long as you do have a subscription, you would be able to use it. So go ahead and open Word, as you can see right here. As you can see, you will find Word in the toolbar of the Copilot, then create a new document. So here you can click the Copilot button in the Word toolbar. So there will be like a button here. So for the Copilot, and literally what you could do is to write down a prompt. Literally just ask ChatGPT. So for example, if you're starting from scratch, you can ask Copilot to create content for you. For example, you can ask it to write a project proposal for a small business. Of course, the more details you give, the more specific the outcome is gonna be. So always within your prompt, try to be as specific as you can. Other than that, it's something that I usually do is to use ChatGPT for prompting. So I will give the context here and I will ask the AI of ChatGPT for a good context and prompts. I will copy the AI prompt and paste it in Copilot. And yeah, that's pretty much what you could do in Word as Copilot user. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next upcoming video.